Today we are making Miko's Fukuuchi Udon. First you wanna squeeze that fish. Oh yeah. Chuck your fish chunks with some egg whites, salt, sugar, and some good old mirin. Blend in a food processor and separate a portion for the white fish cake. Grab some pink food coloring and mix it in with the remaining fish paste. Fabulous! Keep some spare for the petals and then dump out your the pink fish paste on some cling wrap and flatten it into a rectangular-ish shape. Then we're going to put the white fish paste in the middle and roll it all up like a sushi. We're going to freeze that for about 30 to 40 minutes to make it easier to handle. Then cut it across and you should have a cross section that looks like this. Place it between the cling wrap and start shaping it into a flower using the back of a spoon. We're going to draw on the pattern in the middle using the blood of our enemies. Food coloring, definitely. Now we're going to make our petals. Grab some pink and then lay out the white fish paste on top. Use the cling wrap to cover it and then shape it with a chopstick or a blunt knife into a heart shape. Ta-da! Now you have as many petals as your brain cells. Time for the soup. I'm using instant dashi because I'm lazy, and I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoonful of sugar. And done. See? Okay, we're gonna do some multitasking. I'm steaming the narutomaki first. Make sure you keep them on top of the cling wrap so that they don't stick to the steamer. Once the water at the bottom level of the steamer is boiling, pop in your noodles and then cover it with the steamer that contains your narutomaki inside on top. A 2-for-1 special, see? Now, fry your tofu. Just lightly grill it on either side and we'll make the sauce. For the sauce, I'm using sesame paste and some soy sauce as the ink. Just grind it together and use a cake molder or a chopstick to draw the fox. If you're not a good drawer, good luck. I'm just kidding. You can try and make a stencil, but it will get messy. Time for plating! Fill your bowl of noodles with the soup. Add your sakura fish cakes, tofu, little fox, and some spring onion garnish. And there we have it! Miko's Udon.